Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If your Strava application is not recording distance or showing 0.00 even after a workout, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix that issue and get your GPS working properly again. First, go to the phone settings. Locate the option called Apps. Here it is. Scroll down and find Strava in your apps list and tap on it. Now under permissions, make sure location access is set to allow and precise location is turned on. Next, make sure your phone's location services or GPS is actually turned on. Swipe down from the top of your screen and check that the location action is active. Another step for Android users, go to settings. Under the app info for Strava application, go to storage and tap clear cache. This won't delete your data, it just refreshes the app. Another step can be to disable battery saver. Battery saver or app optimization can stop GPS from working in the background. For that, go to settings, scroll down, locate the option called battery and make sure your power saving mode is off while using Strava. Now let's go to Strava application. So here, after hitting the start button on Strava, wait for the GPS to lock in. Make sure you see the tracking line before locking your screen or putting the phone in your pocket. If none of that works, uninstall and reinstall the Strava application from the Play Store or App Store, then re-enable permissions and log in again. And that's it, your Strava should now record distance properly. Try a quick walk or ride to test it out. If this fixed your issue, give it a like, hit subscribe and comment below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.